What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Jailbreak tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. So in today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome tweak that you should download. This tweak allows you to download and obtain any IPA file from the App Store. So this means guys, you will be able to download App Store apps as IPA files, so you can install it anytime you want or even share it with your friends, make changes to the IPA file and inject dialibs into it or whatever you want. This tweak is IPA Ranger. The tweak, as I said, will allow you to download App Store apps without App Store and download any app you want as IPA file, so you can install it anytime you want. This tweak is an amazing tweak, and now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra Store or Cydia Store or whatever you are using. Since I'm using Zebra Store, so I will open Zebra Store. Go to the sources here and make sure to add Havoc source. After adding the source, go to the search here and search for IPA Ranger. This is the tweak. IPA Ranger tweak, as I said, will allow you to obtain any IPA file from the App Store and download it as IPA files and install it anytime you want. The tweak is pretty easy to use, and this is the first GUI app for the great IPA tool tweak. One of the best features of this tweak is that it allows you to download any IPA file from any country you want, and this is of course not limited to a specific country, so you can choose any country you want from the tweak. Now just go ahead and install the tweak. Hit install, tap here, now hit confirm. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and you should find the tweak icon as you see. Go ahead and open it. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is of course sign into your account. When you open the tweak for the first time, it will ask you to sign in to your account. Now here at the top left you can choose the store you want. You will find all the stores here. Okay, as you see, I will select US Store. To download an app, first search for the apps you want from here. Okay, I will search for Screenshot Pro. And as you see, you will find many apps that you can download easily. Okay, I will search for Facebook. To download the app, first tap on it and then tap on Copy Bundle ID. After that, go to the download section here and then tap on download button at the top here. Now here, paste the bundle ID and hit download. And as you see, the tweak now will download Facebook as IPA file. Okay, I will speed up the video. And boom, the app has been downloaded successfully. Now tap on it and as you see, you can now install it, open it in files and share it anywhere you want. Okay, I will install it, hit install, hit yes, continue. The app is now installing. And boom, the app has been installed. Go to the home screen and you should find it. And as you can see, Facebook is now installed on my device and working without any problem. This tweak is really amazing and it's very useful to download App Store apps as IPA file instead of downloading it directly from the App Store. This will save your time by installing the app anytime you want instead of downloading it each time you delete it. The best thing is that it is a free tweak, so you won't need to pay anything, and it also works on iOS 13 up to the latest version. You will find the source below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hope to see you in the next videos and peace.